Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about black seed oil. Now, the cons is it's very nasty tasting, okay? It's terrible tasting. Make sure you get in little pearls, but the pros are pretty high. It's called Cumin. Get it cold pressed in little pearls. There's over 600 peer-reviewed studies on this oil. Incredible. It was found in King Tuts Tomb, so you know it must be good because it's been around for a long time. It has a lot of trace minerals, it has a lot of B vitamins, and it has a lot of healthy fatty acids that do incredible things like antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammation. Great for pain and inflammation. Okay, anywhere in the body, you can put it topically or take it orally. It also is great for any problems with insulin, whether you're a pre-diabetic or an actual diabetic, because it supports the beta cells that make insulin. It's also good for digestion or indigestion or ulcers. So put your comments below and tell me if you've ever tried this before. Thanks for watching. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.